do this. But then I could do this. Paste. Fine. Work? What the fuck? Okay. I didn't know I could put stuff on top of that. But then I do this. And then stretch it out. Like this. There we go. I now have a chat. Well, now I can see chat. Which is a huge step up in my book. Apply. Apply, close. That means I can't change. Ah! Ignore that. Act like an angel, dress like crazy. If I go to YouTube, this is now the new Restream link thingy. Why can't you stop? And then I do this. No. Well, yes. And then I do this. And then I do this. Restream. Yeah. Balls. Ah. Balls. It worked. It works. Let me see if the chat works. Sad thing is I can't type in chat. Balls. It's not showing up yet. It's not showing up at all. Hold on. Wait. Okay. It just takes forever. That's some bullshit. That's some bullshit. At least it works in general, you know? Sometimes. It's not. The second one isn't processing either. Is it trying to filter comments? Is there a thingy? It could be a thingy that could not be a thingy. Is it like in the privacy settings or something? Because it only showed the first one. It's what the hell, man? It didn't do that one. Moderation activity, no. Pop out chat just to see if it works. No. Restore chat. Moderation activity. Moderation activity. I'm gonna do this. You know, yeah, balls. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, guys. Yeah, balls. I can't edit the stream, sadly, so I'm gonna need Restream. Unless I could do this. Docs. Custom browser docs. Restream. everything is restream style now. I'm sorry, Twitch, but we upgrading. We starting to stream on YouTube now. So I can look at chat from here, which is also good. Just to test it, that worked instantly. That worked instantly. Okay, so it just took a while to... Let's just see. Let's restream, okay. Okay, so all channels work for chat. TikTok's gonna be a pain in the ass once I get access. Oh, I can only have 2 active at once. So sometimes I'm gonna alternate between YouTube and Twitch. That's gonna be what we have to do. But I can look at everything, see if anything is broken just from here, which is amazing. I really like that. That makes it way more convenient. And then, this. Okay. I'm gonna do this. Just make it easier. Scale the window. Okay. So I don't need this, like, ever anymore. Click to interact with the stream. Fucking hell. I still have that enabled? Disable that. Edit panels. All the girls are girling, girling. All the girls are girling, girling. There. Okay. So... Hold on. I'm gonna need to change that from here. Restream bot. And then if I do this... Okay, so it doesn't go to... YouTube. But YouTube is working, it looks like. It's just behind by a lot. It was behind by 4 minutes. So, glad to know that both work. I'm gonna need to disable some of these extensions on Twitch, because I'm not gonna use them. What the fuck? What the fuck? What did I just hear? My brother just fucking started cackling. Oh my god, hold on. This is still here. The fuck? That's not supposed to be there. It should be the settings panel. Not that. Come on, Twitch. I know you can do it. Come on, Twitch. I know you can do it. What the fuck? I'm an idiot. It's Discord call to be able to do it, and if someone else also joins the call, they also pop up, which is very good. I like it. I should do this. A 9. It's not doing anything. That's not good. If I do this, it'll show, right? It's just not working. Hold on. Um, technical difficulties. Hack. I'm gonna have to redo this whole thing. Um, I forgot. Full screen. Okay, guys. So horrible micro. Okay, I already messed up. But I finally got the ignore that. I finally got the time and the motivation to do stuff with streams. I haven't streamed on I haven't streamed on Twitch in over 2 months. I haven't streamed on YouTube in even longer because I don't really have a following on that, but I would like to change that. And the only way for me to change that is to start streaming on it. And I really can't stream to YouTube and not TikTok. Fuck! Ah! Okay. I'm so... Okay. I got this new thing. Cause, I finally got the time and the motivation. Jesus Christ. Fuck. Okay. So, I did a thing because I finally got the time and the motivation to do it. And I want to grow my following on YouTube, Twitch, TikTok, all that. Twitch used to be my main streaming platform, but it switched to TikTok because I don't know. I just stopped streaming on Twitch, and I haven't streamed on YouTube because I wasn't able to. Because mainly Xbox streams to Twitch. It doesn't stream to YouTube. So Twitch was my main platform, had the biggest following, but then I switched to TikTok for no reason at all other than I wanted to. But YouTube is pretty much abandoned, and I would like to bring that back along with Twitch, because a lot of my friends and some of my viewers on Twitch doesn't know I have TikTok or doesn't have TikTok in general. And funny haha, but from what you can see right here, I got YouTube and Twitch chat working. I'm currently live. That's how I got everything set up through OBS. And I also I used to do VTubing on Twitch whenever I was on PC, but it used up 80% of my CPU or GPU, whichever one, and I couldn't run that many games. So I've been trying to do PNG tubing for a while, couldn't get into it, couldn't do it because I'm not an artist. I don't know how to do that, and I'm broke. I don't have a source of income because I don't have a job. No, I'm not doing that just yet. Not doing that just yet. So I have this VR chat avatar that I customized to look like my Sona. Did that like 3 years ago. Been using it ever since. Love it. I fucking love it. And I went on my phone and I tried this in VR and it just didn't work. It just didn't look right. So I went onto my phone because my phone can actually run VR chat unlike my computer. And redid it. It actually looks good now. So where is it? Right here. Using reactive Fuji. Just search Discord reactive. You'll find it. And I did this thingy. You can see it right here. The reason I have it so far so far right there, is because if I have it like this, it cuts off, and that really is not great because I'm doing this using Discord. As you can see, Discord avatar right here. I'm doing this through Discord. I switched it to that, my Discord avatar. And I have multiple little things, little presets. I love it so far. And here, I could have just done this one and called it a day, but sometimes I'm gonna have other people in my streams, and it really won't change anything if I'm alone, so might as well. If someone else joins the same VC, it does this, puts them both on here. I can customize theirs if they're in my stream often, and put like their little sprites on there. And you can see right here, muted. That I did individual ones for when I am muted. So if I go to Discord, I'm gonna pull it up here in my other monitor, and if I mute, there's that. I have that set as most of them set for that, and if I deafen for all of them, it does that, which is cool. I'm gonna show the mute ones. It's the same for all of them, and if it's the same, it just shows if it's the same as my not talking, it just shows that, which is cool. And then the deafen animations is just all that except for the shock one. I just didn't know which ones to put that on, which ones not to put that on. I could have just made it its own little thing, but meh. So this is like, I love this so much. I love it more than I would have loved doing VTubing, even though that's more has more expressions, and it's just better overall because my computer is shit. Specifically, so huge upgrade. I am now multi-platform, and I have this thingy, so more engaging, I guess. It's more entertaining, and if multiple people comes up on here, I can edit their individual ones. I feel like I already explained that. But, it does show all of them. It just expands it a little bit. I just love it. I love it so much. That's pretty much it. I do have a new OBS setup. Now I stream to Restream and from Restream to the platforms. So I had to redo everything. I have Restream pulled up as a doc here so I can edit the titles and have the Restream chat right here so I can see everything. It used to be Twitch chat and then the Twitch thingy because I only streamed on Twitch. And I love this. I love it so much. It's just so convenient. I'm gonna start streaming to TikTok when my application gets accepted, if it does. And when that happens, I'm not gonna be streaming. What happened to my stream? What the hell? That's something. But when that does happen, I'm going to be alternating between TikTok and YouTube. Sometimes I'll do TikTok only. I was using TikTok Live Studio for that. But it's just getting on my nerves at this point. That's like the whole reason I did this. I just want it to be better and more convenient. Like, I can add stuff super quickly, edit it all. And in TikTok Live Studio, it's super fucking slow. I click one thing, it takes 5 seconds to highlight, and then if I click to edit it or like change the settings, it takes 2 minutes to open that, and sometimes it doesn't even open. So I'm done with that. No more desktop TikTok streams until I get my application accepted, and that's that. Whenever I am live on TikTok until then, it's going to be on my phone. I'm going to also be live on Twitch if it's an Xbox stream. And if it's not an Xbox stream, it's going to be Song Requests. So that's that. Imagine somebody came in while that was happening. That would have fucked me up.